Okay, good morning, students, once again. And today we all are assembled together online to continue our classes for class 11 CBSE. Okay, computer science with Python, and we have done with the chapter number 1, that is getting started with Python. In that, the first video we have seen that how to use the Python, how to download the Python program from www.python.org, how to install it, and how to work with the both modes in that Python programming, interactive mode as well as the script mode. And we have discussed the what we say brief history, the who invented this, Guy von Rossum in 1991. So that was a quick reminder of that chapter. Now move to the next one, that is chapter number 2, Python fundamentals. Okay, so this is the second chapter of this particular class 11 CBSE, described by CBSE syllabus. Okay, computer science with Python having code 083. So welcome to this chapter number second, and today's topic. What are the topics of this Python fundamentals? Let me read it out. In this chapter, we will see introduction about this Python fundamental, Python character set, followed by tokens, bare bones of the Python programming, variables and assignment, and finally simple input and output. Okay, so keep in touch and keep on watching, keep on learning new things. Okay, and keep on doing good things for the society also. Okay, so let us start it. Let me share you this uh, whiteboard. Okay, so let me tell you that what is the syllabus, what syllabus we are having for this particular chapter number 2. So let me read it here. Chapter 2. Okay, let me write the name of the chapter, that is Python fundamentals. Python fundamentals. Okay, and in it, okay, so Python fundamentals, and in this chapter we will see the following topics, and these are first one, the introduction. Let me make it correct, introduction. Okay, and second topic is Python characters, Python character set. Okay, third one is the token. Okay, tokens, the individual unit of Python programming, and next one is the bare bones of a Python program. Let me write it in short. Okay, the basic structure of Python program that we will use here. And next one is variables and assignments. Assignments. Okay, so this is what we say brief discussion of the topics that we will study or we will go through in this very chapter, Python fundamentals. Okay, so let me tell you about the introduction of this chapter, Python fundamentals. So students, are you ready? I think you all are. Okay, very good. So keep in touch and focus. Okay, so in this introduction of this particular chapter, Python fundamentals, here it is given the uh, example of IPO cycle. I think you all know what is IPO cycle because it is already mentioned several times in your junior classes, that IPO stands for input, process, and output. It means the computer's functioning. If you see the overall functioning of a computer, so we can just say that it is what we say. It uses a cycle that is known as IPO cycle, input, process, output. It means whatever we feed into the computer using the input devices such as standard input device keyboard or mouse, so that is the input, fed to the computer and processor that works according to the instruction given by the programmer. Okay, and finally it produces the what we say result on the standard output device, that is a monitor, or with the help of the printer. Okay, so completely if we say, it forms a cycle that stands for IPU cycle: input, process, and output. Okay, so to happen this what we say cycle, or in order to accomplish the task in this flow, input, process, and output, there is a need of a program. And for writing a program, we need ultimately need a language. It means computer language, because we are talking all about computer here. So we need a computer language, and in this we will see how to program using the Python. So this is all about the introduction. Now move to the second option, that is the character set. Okay, that is the character set. Okay, the Python character set. Okay, so if you, as you study any programming language, okay, such as C, C++, Java, whatsoever, so in the beginning of the chapters, okay, in the beginning, or in the introduction of the particular programming language, you will see a very common chapter initially, and that is the what we say character set. So what do you mean by character set? So actually it is simply those characters, it is a set of those characters which are actually allowed while doing the programming in any programming languages. So if we are here in Python, so we'll discuss about it. So Python character sets means the group of a set of characters that is declared as valid character set for the Python programming, will be termed as Python character set. So here we have, okay, here we have many, okay, here we have many what we say character sets, and let us discuss them character one by one. Characters set of Python. Okay, again, first one, of course, it is letter, and whatever letter we have to write into parentheses. Why I'm checking it, I will just tell you very soon. Just A to Z, and in the second block, what we will write, small a to small z. So students, you will worried about why I'm writing in again and again A to Z, because you can see it. First one is in uppercase and second one is lowercase. As I told you earlier, that Python is a case-sensitive programming language. So case-sensitive programming language, what does this mean? It means it will treat uppercase and lowercase differently. Yeah, it means whenever we program, whenever we declare a variable using uppercase letter, then we have to what we say use this particular variable again. If you're willing to, we will use it in uppercase. If we declare the variable in the small case, it means a small letter, then we will go through the same variable using the small. If we interchange it, it will generate an error. So let's see. Without this time, let me show you. New share screen. Okay, this is ideally integrated development learning environment, and here we are going to have that window of Python. Okay, here it is. Okay, so what I told you, that it is case sensitive language. So let's just see how it is a case sensitive. Suppose we have taken a variable a in uppercase, a equals to, suppose we have written 10. Okay, now we are trying to print a variable name in small a. So let me just show you what will be the answer. I hope you guys are well known about this. This will generate an error. And what is the error here? See, name A is not defined. Okay, so why it is there? Because we have taken declared a variable in capital letter uppercase, and we are trying to print the result in the lowercase. Okay, so if we do so with the capital letter, capital A, what we will get? We will get the answer. So that is why I told you that this is a case sensitive language. It means both uppercase and lowercase, what we say, are treated differently. Okay, so come back to this. What do we say? Whiteboard. So character set of Python. first one we have done it. That is character, capital A to capital Z, and this small a to small z. Okay, because of this case sensitivity. Okay, now further move to the second one, and in the second, what we will do, we will write the second character set, that is digit, and in that what is there, so that is 0 to 9. Okay, that is all about, we have the digits again 0 to 9, you all know. So we are able to use the digits from 0 to 9. Now come to the third option, and that is spatial. Okay, spatial characters, spatial characters. Okay, so special characters, just say here special characters. So for arithmetic operation we use addition, subtraction, okay, multiplication, that is asterisk. With the help of shift you may see it along with the 8. Okay, use it asterisk. Okay. Some students very commonly say that this is star. Okay, this, that is plus, minus, into. Now it comes division, forward slash. Okay, so there are many things. We will not go through with everyone. Just see some of them. Parenthesis, that is curly brace, large bracket, opening, closing for the list. Okay, so many, what we say now, relational operators. Okay, less than equals to. Okay, so these are greater than equals to, not equals to. Okay, many more. It is better right there, ATC. Okay, sufficient. So what we have discussed, the character set of Python, it means the characters that are allowed in order to program, in order to write a program in Python. So what are they? The first one, letters from A to Z, second digit 0 to 9, special characters, many more are there. And now we will move to the next one, that is the fourth one. And what is that? That is white space, white space. Okay, white spaces. What do you mean by white spaces? Okay, so in the keyboard we have several keys that perform some work, but they are not printed. Okay, either on the, what we say, screen or in the printer. So what are they? They are set as white spaces, such as a space, such as the tab, remove, such as carrier return, such as new line. Okay, so let me write what we say, space. Okay, tab. Okay, then new line. Again, it is a very friendly word. Okay, every time we used to use this. Okay, and other characters. So this is the fifth one. What do you mean by other characters? Let me write it here. Next, other. Okay, characters. Other characters. What are they? Can process. Python can process all sky characters. All sky, ASCII. Okay, and would we say Unicode character? Where is Unicode? This is Unicode. Oh my God. Okay, Unicode characters. Okay. So, what are Sky? Sky, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, these are having a, what we say, special code to each and every character, and of 1 byte, and followed by the Unicode universal coding. It is of 2 byte, and it what do we say, maximizes the number of characters all over the world, as it includes all most of the languages all over the world, regional languages, special characters in it. Okay, so that is Unicode, having 2 bytes, using 2 bytes in order to, what we shall show. So that is all about for this Python character set, and I hope you understood. And tomorrow we will, okay, tomorrow we will discuss further about the next topic, that is token. I hope you understood the topic well. Thank you. Keep learning. Keep watching the video. Thank you. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you.